Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the resolution of your camera by recording any video. Like now you are recording in 1080p or like your phone spotted 4K. So let me show you how you can do it. Open up your phone settings, and this process will be work in iPhone. So you have to do is on iPhone. So once you come in your settings, you will see over here below accessibility, you will see camera. Click on that, and once you click on that, you have to do is click on the top one, record video. In this you will see bunch of options over here, so that you can see over here my phone sports 4K video. So once I click on that 4K video, you will see over here at the bottom of this, you will see some about approximately storage of these, like 40 MBs for 720p HD to 30 fps. So like that, you can see over here for 4K at 60 fps, you will see 400 MBs. So you can see over here per minute this will be recorded in 400 MBs. So you can see these and you can adjust it by your own. So that's it, that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.